Welcome everyone. Today, I'll guide you through two methods for converting a Word document to a PDF. Let's dive in. Firstly, open the Word document you wish to convert. To begin the conversion process, you'll need to save the document. Navigate to the File menu and select Save As. Choose your desired location for saving the file. Under the Save As Type drop-down menu, opt for PDF format. Click Save, and your document will be saved as a PDF. Now let's explore an alternative method for converting your document to a PDF. You can access the conversion tool through the link provided in the description box below. Simply upload the file from your PC that you wish to convert. This may take a few seconds. Once the conversion is complete, download the PDF file. Subscribe to Elite IT Team for more tech tips. If you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.